Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen any videos from me. I've just been so busy with life and just doing a lot of things in general, but I wanted to record this video for you guys because I had some extra time on my hands, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. What I wanted to do was to quickly show you guys a very simple and easy way to take a plain piece of paper and just sort of decorate it. I just happen to do a lot of pen paling, and I am inspired by the way that my pen pals have found unique ways to, just create these papers and different, like just like a legal pad. So basically all the supplies I have right now are stickers, some washi, and a legal pad paper I think I picked up from Target. So you can go to the Dollar Tree or Walmart. And right now what I'm doing is I'm going to take my favorite piece of washi and I'm going to go straight down the side of this of the piece of paper and just sort of stick it down on that. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, and even in this video I don't think I did it perfect at all by any means, but so yeah, you just stick it straight down, and already you can just see how that washi just makes a worlds of difference on that piece of paper. It went from being a plain yellow pad of paper into a, I don't know, just like a pretty piece of paper. I love doing this now when I write to my pen pals. It's just one of my favorite things to do. May or may not see a lot of people on Instagram. I've seen a lot of people do this on the gram. When you just use one washi, oftentimes you'll see like another color just like overlapped on top of that. So I selected one of my favorite polka dot washis and just paste it right on top of that, sort of overlapping, but not at the same time. Also, washi is great because you don't have to use scissors to cut it, and it's just so easy to use and work with. And for the most part, washi is always very like easy to work with. You can like lift it right off the paper for the most time, unless you have a certain brand of washi, the kinds that I use. You can always do that. Right here I'm just picking up one of my sticker packs I just bought from Hobby Lobby. It's a spring sticker pack, and just to continue to decorate this piece of paper, I am going to choose one little sticker on it. I was just kind of deciding which sticker to use, and I think I decided to go with the nest with the yellow bird. It just kind of was talking to me, and I don't know, it looked cute, so I went for that one. Gonna just find a little cute place to paste it. I was just kind of filling it out. And then you're all set to go. You can start writing a cute little letter to one of your pen pals. This is a great way to save money, especially if you don't have a lot of money to buy all kinds of stationery. It's just very sustainable and everything, and it's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Those are some letter writing papers that I picked up from the Postscript Papery. She has all kinds of themes and styles to choose from, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great one. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.